Hi everybody, Greg Davis down here in Savannah. I want to give you a look at the Sea Ray 230 SDX. New model, new redesign, great lines on it. This one's got a 250 V8 Mercury on it, great performance. Give you a quick look at the back end here. This model's got a really nice swim platform that goes all the way across, stowable 3-step swim ladder, great seating in the back, trim tabs, underwater lights. We'll hop in and give you a quick look at the inside. Hi everybody, back aboard the SDX 230 from Sea Ray. Great layout here in the bow. Plenty of seating, drink holders. There's speakers up front, dedicated anchor locker. This one accepts a bow table, which transforms into a dining area. The walk-through, they've off-centered it this year. You can see this still offers the protection from the elements to close the windshield, close the air dam, and you keep all the weather from coming in the cockpit. Storage on this side here, very nicely done, dedicated for your table. And then this one, they were able to add a nice size head and storage area underneath. Really a great job with use of space. Got a little day bed, got plenty of room. You're not cramped down in there. And also plenty of storage space. Locks in like that, and then that pulls forward. We'll take a look at the helm here. Extra wide helm seat with a bolster. A new binnacle mount from Mercury with the active trim, Simrad electronics, Lenco, trim tabs, and you can see the Fusion speakers throughout. Stainless steel drink holders. This is actually a two-way seat here, flips forward, so you can actually sit facing back. Same with the passenger side. Has a bolster, but also flips forward to face back. Stereo control is here. The boat has really good storage here. Table mount for the rear. This model, they did a really nice job using the space to give you a ton of room for bags and soft coolers and towels and all those things that come along on the boat. Easy access to this. Great back seating area. The walk through here with the doggy door. More storage in the floor here, which is actually a cooler. Keep drinks or a couple of extra bags of ice. You can see how much room there is back here. Great sun pad. Very unique use of space here. This is where your batteries are and your battery switches. Very easy to get to, very good access. This has got the tower with the removable bimini, has a tow point up top if you wanted to wake surf or tube. If you'd like information on the 23 SDX or any boat we have here at MarineMax in Savannah, please give us a call, 912-897-9881. Thanks.